Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Vision Innovative. So today we discuss about a topic, what is IRS tax debit relief program. So let's discuss about it. The Fresh Start program mandates that the IRS cannot collect more than a taxpayer can pay. This can help the taxpayer such an agreement with the IRS and allows the taxpayer to the payment amount they can reasonably afford. The financial situation of the taxpayer is the IRS primary criteria for evaluation. The IRS Fresh Start program is another term for the various debt forgiveness options offered by the agency. It is often called a fresh start because taxpayers are usually freed from burdensome penalties, interest payments, and more than they seek out the relief with the IRS. If you owe less than $10,000 to the IRS, your installment plan will be generally be automatically approved as guaranteed installment agreement. Under this type of plan, as long as you please to pay off your balance within 3 years, there is no specific minimum payment required. IRS Payment Plan. If you cannot afford to pay your taxes, you may able to qualify for an installment plan with the Internal Revenue Service. An installment plan allows to pay your taxes over time while avoiding garnishment, levies, or other collections action. You will still owe penalties and interest for paying your tax rates, but it can help make the payment for affordable. The minimum monthly payment for your plan depends on how much you owe. Minimum monthly payment. You can apply for an installment agreement online, over the phone, or via various IRS forms. To some degree, you get to choose how much you want to pay every month. The IRS will ask you what can you afford to pay per month, encouraging you to pay as much as possible to reduce your interest and penalties. If you choose not to answer, select too low of an amount or let the IRS pick a payment amount for you. Your minimum payment will typically be set to the amount that you owe divided by 70. Fees for IRS installment plans. If you can pay off your balance within 180 days, it will not cost you anything to set up an installment plan. If you cannot pay off your balance within 180 days, setting up a direct debit payment plan online will cost $31 or $107 if set up by phone, mail, or in person using for 9465. If not using direct debit, then setting up the plan online will cost $130. If not using direct debit, setting up the plan by phone, mail, or in person will cost $225 using for 9465. If you are a lower income taxpayer, you may be able to reduce these fees. Balance of $10,000 or below. If you owe less than $10,000 to the IRS, your installment plan will be generally be automatically approved as a guaranteed installment agreement. Under this type of plan, as long as you please to pay off your balance within 3 years, there is no specific minimum payment required. For balance above 10,000, you may have to provide additional information in order to qualify. Tax relief is imposed as per either the expansion method or the credit method. Double taxation relief under Section 90, 90A and 91 can be claimed irrespective of whether there is a double taxation avoidance agreement signed between India and the foreign country. Examples include deductions, credit, exclusion, and tax-free allowance threshold, and tax relief is designed to reduce the liabilities of a business or individual or to provide assistance to a particular group in need. So this is all for today's video. If you like to see more videos, then please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.